Osoro to stop propagating violence, not only in South Mogrango, it's actually causing mayhem in the entire Kisii County. We want him to stop this. In the same breath, we want to ask the Inspector General of Police to make the security that was present to be liable to have fired at innocent people, children and women, indiscriminately. We are also aware that Osoro is fighting everyone. Is even fighting the senator, even the chiefs. They are not breathing. If a chief is doing something he doesn't like, that chief will be in a lot of trouble because he controls, it looks like he controls the administration and he controls even the police. As South Mogrango Kisii professionals and Kisii at large, we want to tell Mr. Osoro to respect not only the governor, but to respect the Kisii people, the South Mogrango people that elected him. The voters have a right to recall him. And if he's not careful, that recall clause will take place. We are also aware that UDA as a party is trying to get Honorable Arati to join their camp. Honorable Arati has categorically stated he will not join that camp. So UDA party is trying to use Osoro, the chief whip, to fight the governor so that the governor doesn't do what he promised people of Kisii County. We want to tell Osoro he is not going to succeed, and let him leave the governor to work for us. We have also, we want to state here that Osoro, the chief whip, must foot all the bills of the people that were injured. We are giving Honorable Osoro the ultimatum to explain where he took the positions given to him by the government to the South Mogrango constituency. And Osoro should therefore desist from fighting everybody he thinks that is his enemy. He doesn't have an enemy, that's why he was voted. We are also requesting the governing party, UDA, to recall Osoro from his position of chief whip. It is a national embarrassment. South Mogrango people have a right. I've already said that to recall Osoro, and we will institute this as professionals. We are also asking UDA party to rein on Osoro to stop forthwith his childish, violent behavior in Kisii County and South Mogrango in particular. Osoro should stop misusing the jobless youth of South Mogrango to fight each other, to kill each other, to injure each other. This must stop. I think that is the end of our statement.